everyone, today we're going to draw a dragon.
That's right, we are going to be drawing a really cute dragon. And where's our dragon? Yay! We are drawing a dragon today because we thought it would be really fun because it's going to be Chinese New Year soon and it's the year of the dragon. That's right. So we're going to draw a really cute dragon, and our challenge for you today is to decorate your dragon however you like. Maybe you might use clouds or fire or hearts, whatever you like. We're gonna show our decoration at the end of our video, aren't we?
Yeah.
That's right. You ready to draw?
Yeah.
Good job. What do we need?
We need a Sharpie, pen, paper, and our alcohol
markers. You ready to go?
Yes.
High five. Let's draw our dragon. Okay, the first step we're gonna do is to draw our dragon's nose, and it's kind of like the letter N, a little bit like the letter N, but a little bit longer.
Yeah.
Okay, so what should I do? I'm going to find the middle of the page.
Here.
That's right, perfect. And we're going to draw a long and...
Start from here and we start from here.
That's right, perfect. Reference points, very good. Excellent job. Good. All right, next thing we're going to do is draw his mouth. And kind of like when we draw a cat's mouth sometimes, we're going to draw kind of like a W, and it goes out like this. And on the other side. Oops, that's a little bit long. Good job. All right, I like it. Okay, and then we can do
more longer.
2 little lines. Yeah, more longer. That's right. We'll do 2 little lines for his nose. Good job. And then let's draw a little line on the edge of his mouth to make him look like he's smiling. 2 little lines over there at the ends of his mouth. Good job. And now we're going to draw his mouth open and smiling. So we can draw kind of like a letter U, like a A for umbrella. So we're going to go down and up. Back to his mouth. Nice work. Good job. And now let's draw his eyes.
Yeah.
We're going to make him like having a big smile. So we're going to draw a little curve.
And here.
A little bit more inside. Yeah. That's it. And let's draw another curve on the other side.
Here.
Yep. And we're going to draw his eye on top of this. So let's do 2 round circles. Good job. And let's put some highlights.
Yeah, you can
in his eyes.
do how many highlights you want to do.
That's right. We're going to do 2 highlights.
2.
Good job. You're doing so well. I really like your eyes. Good circles there. Let's go ahead and color in our eyes.
You don't want to see those white bits.
That's right, we want to get all of those the white bits. Very good. You're having such a cute dragon so far. Okay, let's finish his mouth. So we're just going to draw his tongue inside, and we can just draw 2 little curves. And let's go and color in
I want to give
the top
him
part
some
of
teeth.
his mouth. You can give him some teeth. I'm guessing dragons do have nice sharp teeth.
Yeah. Little highlight for his teeth.
Giving his teeth little highlights?
Yeah.
Okay, good job. All right. And then what we're going to do next is we're going to start drawing the sides of his face. But first, we want to just draw another little U under his mouth. Kind of like that.
For his chin.
That's right.
Yeah.
Yep. Good job. Excellent.
I
Okay.
can do another smile.
Yeah, kind of like another smile, but it's his chin. Very good. And now we're going to just draw the sides of his face just for some reference points. And we're going to draw kind of like a line that comes out a little bit closer, about here. Line comes out and then in. That's it. And then one more out and in.
Out.
And in again. Good job. And can you do the same on the other side? Out and in. Nice point. Another out and in. Nice point. Good job. And now what we're going to do is we're going to draw a line that comes...
Like a sideways M.
Yeah, like it's going to... Like a sideways M. That's right. Good job. We're going to draw a curve that comes under and just under his chin there. So you can watch what I do. I'm going to go down and then curve just under there. You can pick your pen up. Very good. And then you can start on the other side and go up to that curve. Very good.
It looks so cute.
It does look so cute, doesn't it? And now we're going to draw some of his horns on his head. So we're going to draw kind of like another U like this one. And we're going to draw in the middle, right over there. A little bit lower, a little bit more lower, about there. Yeah, we're going to start there and come across. Good job. And then we can draw kind of a point. That's it. And let's draw one more, getting a little bit bigger. So halfway up here, we're going to do a little line that comes out and up. That's it. And then we can draw a bigger horn.
Yeah.
So, that's it. I like that big horn. Nice.
Yeah.
And now what we're going to do is we're going to curve to this side of his face. We're going to curve up and then back round to there. That's right. And then curve it up behind his horn. Very good. And let's draw on the other side as well.
I'm done.
Good job. You did that so well. And we're going to just draw two more horns on his side. We're going to draw one on the side. And then back in. Just draw that one. Good job. And then on the other side. Good job. And we're just going to draw two lines coming down. That's it. Or you can draw one if you want to. Good job. I like it. And that is our dragon's cute face. Yeah. Awesome job. High five for you. You did that so well. I really like your cute dragon. Let's draw his body now. And we're going to draw two lines that are coming down from his sides. And this is going to be his arms. So we're going to draw a line that comes out like that. Yeah. And yeah, perfect. Good job. And then on the other side, we do the same.
So high.
A little bit higher. That's all right. You can stop there. You can stop there. Yeah. Draw that line. Maybe from about here. Good job. You want it to come outwards a little bit. Good job. Maybe you can extend that line a little bit to match that one. So about to there. Very good. Okay. Next thing we're going to do is draw his cute feet. So I'm going to make mine a little bit longer. You don't have to because yours is long enough. All right. So we're going to draw kind of like an M, but with a rounded M like that. Can you draw that? That's it. Perfect. And then on the other side, can we do the same thing? That's his feet. It's a baby dragon. That's right. And then we're going to draw a line coming up.
Cracked from an egg.
That's just cracked from his egg. Very good. And then we're going to curve it back inside, but it's not going to touch the line. It's going to stop there. Good job. And on the other side too. You're doing so well. Let's draw a line underneath, and that's for our dragon's belly. That's it. You can pick your pen up. Very good. And then we're going to draw two lines coming up from his foot, and that's his arms. Good job. And let's go and do his bottom foot. So we're going to draw another M behind this one, just a bit smaller, and maybe it doesn't finish. You're right, it stops. We don't draw the whole M. That's good. That's good. And then on the other side as well. Very good. And then we're going to draw a curve, and that's his foot.
Yeah.
And then let's draw his little knees where because he's going to be sitting down. So it's a curve, like his knees are bent, and then back in. Very good. Good job. We are doing so well. We're flying with this one. Let's draw his tail. So we're going to draw a curve that comes from the...
It looks like he's burning his tail.
Like, yeah, we're going to do some fire on his tail. Yeah. So we're going to draw a line that curves from just behind his knee over here. Goes up like this, and then back down behind his foot. And then back down. Good job. And then what we can do is we're going to draw two little curves out this side of his... Yeah, like that. And then come in. And then another one. Good job. I love it. Very good.
We can do some details.
We can do some details. You can do different details. Remember, everyone's going to decorate their dragons. So we're going to draw some spikes on his tail. That's it. So let's carry on with our spikes. Getting smaller towards the end of the tail. Very good. I like your spikes there. And now... look like mountains. And what do dragons have to fly?
Wings.
Wings. Let's draw our wings. So we're going to draw a curve over here, just under his cheek there. And it's going to come up like that. Just a little bit higher. There you go. Good job. I like it. Okay. And then a curve that comes down. And then we're going to draw like a big M. So
yeah.
Like that. Good job. And let's draw another curve up. And then down. It's okay if it goes behind the tail. And then another big M. Oops, I got one big wing, one small wing. Kind of like you too. That's okay. And I'm just gonna add some details here in my wings.
I don't want
to. You don't want to. That's fine, no problem.
I want to. I'm doing like some curves over. Why are you doing that?
This is just some details. You don't have to do this.
I'm doing like bumps.
Oh, very good. You did that really well. Good job. Okay, we are done decorating our dragons. What do you think? Not decorating, drawing our dragons. We're gonna do our favorite thing, which is coloring. We're gonna color our dragons, and we're gonna fast forward through our coloring. Yeah. So if you want to see what colors we used or what decorations we did, you can always pause the video. And remember, we challenge you to draw or decorate your dragons whatever you like. What are you gonna do? Hearts. Fire.
And clouds.
And well, I'm gonna do clouds. I think clouds is a really fun one.
Yeah.
You ready to go?
Yeah.
All right. High five, man. Good drawing. Let's do this. Well, Summer, we've finished our beautiful little Chinese dragons, and you've done clouds and you've done fire. Amazing. I've done some clouds.
And I can't forget my
and your heart.
And
some eyelashes. High five for you. Good job. I did some clouds and a bit of sky. Thanks for following along. I hope you enjoyed this lesson, and if you like our drawings, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, and we want to see exactly what decorations you've done as well.
Yeah.
See you next time. Bye everyone.